Hi, I'm Jim Jubeck, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video. This week's Trend of the Week is a summer rally for two underdog tech stocks. I've been really arguing that we're going to get a summer rally for weeks now, and I think we're starting to see more of the blocks for a summer rally fall into place. We got forecasts of a real big upturn in travel from Delta when it announced earnings. It looks like we're going to see the end of COVID-19 lockdowns in China sometime relatively soon. There's thought that maybe if we're near a peak of inflation. I think we're probably being a little optimistic about that. But anyway, one of the things that I think, if you think of the move we got in stocks on April 13th on the Delta news, is kind of a preview of a summer rally. Here's something to note. Yes, indeed, we got summer stocks moving up, everything from Six Flags amusement park to the airlines, etc. But we also got a lot of action in non-summer stocks, and let me just show you a couple. What these stocks have in common is that they don't have any link to summer, but they do have a link to the fact they've been pounded this year. And so you've got a lot of people going, oh, I've got to be near your bottom. Hey, these are great stocks. I'll buy one, so why not? So here we've got SentinelOne back here to the day of the Delta announcement. And on that day, April 13th, the stock went up about 10%. For no reason other than that, this is a cybersecurity stock, so there's no seasonal effect here. But it's a category that people want to own. People see cybersecurity as something going forward that they want to be a part of. And this is one of the leaders in the category. So people said, hey, bargain time. And if we're going to get a rally, this is the kind of stock we're going to get a rally in. Okay, let's look at another chart. Qualcomm, chip stock. Okay, this is in a category of a sector that's been really hammered, just down and down and down, down and down and down. Okay, and on the April 13th Delta day, Qualcomm rallied to about the tune of about 2.7%, 2.8%. There's a good story here. You know, more chips being used. It looks like more chips being used in cell phones, more chips being used in other devices, more chips being used in cars, and it looks like Qualcomm is getting a bigger and bigger share of that. But again, I think the real thing that makes this a great summer stock is this. It's the horror starting in early February down to here. So we're still looking at a stock that in early February was at 188. I don't know that we come back to these heights, but people are basically saying, hey, this is, there's no real resistance here until about this level. So that's a run from 136 to 160. If the market is going to go up in the summer, because this other stuff might be a good thing to own. So the last plus for a summer rally, and it doesn't really have anything to do with summer, is that it looks like China is getting worried again about growth. It's going to back off on its entrepreneurial companies because it wants more growth. It's going to stimulate the economy a little more. So on what I'm calling Delta Day, April 13th, we got a pretty good rally in Chinese stocks, not Alibaba, but in some of the more hammered sort of technology stocks like Tencent Holdings, which was up 3.4% on that day, or JD.com. So again, that's another plus for this period. So summer rally, yes. Summer rally in more than just summer stocks. Summer rally in some of the stocks that have been really hammered. If we get it, look outside that narrower universe of stocks that just look like they're going to be attached to this season. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please like it. You can subscribe, and that will get to my YouTube channel, and that will get you notification of when we're doing other videos. I'm doing about 3 a week. If you want more of my stuff, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com, or if you want more, 6 portfolios instead of 3, you can go to my paid site, that's jubakam.com. Links to both of those are down below. Thanks very much for watching.